to what it's supposed to be used for. I have all my tools. So I got some deep sockets that go from 8 to 22, a couple essentials, 8 to 24. Sorry, let me turn this down. Have a breaker bar here. I have 3/8 sockets, more sockets here. Have the 5/8, a couple spark plug sockets. Here's my ratchet drawer. I got a 1/4 inch, 3/8, long flex head 3/8, a 1/2 inch, some picks. And over here I actually keep another flex head 3/8 with the BMW special sockets, torque sockets and Allen, because those come in handy a lot. Here I have my torque wrench, a couple miscellaneous wrenches, some other air pump for air hosing. We got respirator here with 2 cartridges for painting, spray painting, my 1/2 inch impact. With the light, this thing has 300 foot-pounds, it's compact, it's light, it's amazing for everyday use. Got the battery charger here. So down here I just have some funnels, some BMW coolant, glass cleaner, power steering fluid, windshield wiper fluid, big gap, couple jack stands. I have 2 more jack stands over there with some speakers, my laptop and my little workstation. Got my 3-ton jack here. I'll show you the other tool case. Got some gloves, some box cutters. I glued this Mercedes badge and the Volkswagen badge. We got a washer and dryer right behind my tools. Got a nice set of extensions, except I broke a couple. I need to return them. I have some extra special bit sockets over here. I have another set of impact or chrome sockets, and then another 1/4 inch set. Here we are. I just showed you guys this, my special set. Have my drill and my miscellaneous parts drawer. Cord for the stereo of the car, drain screw. Have a couple bottles here that I use. I have the water, the spray, and glass cleaner, microfiber towel, because I'm about to put this in, which is going to be another video. But there's my workbench actually. So pretty legit. I built that from you know, scrap wood. Put a little drawer under there and sawed the bottom off. Here's my gasket maker, glue, silicone, screwdrivers, pliers, drill bits, extractor kit, couple oil wrenches, tape, couple hammers, some Allens. This is my code clear. It's not organized right now. Usually I'm OCD, but it's been hectic. Got another mask here. Got microfiber towels, my microfiber towel drawer that I use for cleaning, and a special saw, metal saw. Here is just some power cord, some primer, and some random kind of compound and wax and dirt remover, airflow sensor cleaner, some extensions, and some tire shine. I have this 3-in-1 lube oil that's really good, but don't lose the top of this, because look what it did to my box. It always spills somehow. This thing always falls over. Also got some jack fluid for the jack, some clear coat, and then the last thing I'll show you guys, you don't need to see that because it's just random household stuff. I have a oil reserve here to catch the oil from draining. And then I just cleaned out this sink, which was disgusting and wasn't usable at all. So I cleaned the walls and everything around it to get it. This is with like 3 coats of bleach and scrub. I was able to get it to this, but before it was literally black and moldy and oily. So have a hand washing sink in the garage is really nice. I'm gonna get some orange cleaner and set it right there. But yeah, that's basically it. This is my working space, my garage space. So here's the E46 that I got for 300 bucks. You can see the bumper's all fixed. It's all waxed up. It's got the M Sport wheels. Interior is gorgeous. Just fixed a lot of stuff on this. Finally registered and smogged because it was 2 years because the owners couldn't figure out how to get it, but the inside's really clean. What I did is I these E46s are notorious for having the panels sag down, so I got two replacement panels from the junkyard, and I also got this motion sensor because that was sagging and fell off, basically ripped the whole headliner down, so I was able to get the right clip and actually clip that back in. So everything works solid on it now, no coats, running great. It's got 326,000 miles, but I love it. I need to change the drive shaft center support bearing, but after that, this car is amazing. It runs insane. I've just put new plugs, new filters, new oil, new fluids, new coolant, topped off the power steering, put new spark plugs, new injectors, basically did everything. 3 new oxygen sensors. I did the oil pan gasket myself, so I saved a lot of money, and yeah, basically I got this car for 300 bucks. So this is a $300 BMW, and you can see here I just dropped it on coilovers. There's absolutely no gap front and back, so this thing looks cherry. For 300 bucks, the coilovers are almost as expensive as the car. I got the RSK street version. I still need to do an alignment, but pretty amazing car for 300 bucks. It's got the Euro lights. So here is the bumper damage. If you look at my previous video, this was completely cracked and broken and looked terrible. So I got the new side marker light in there, and I need to smooth over one more layer of Bondo right there. And once I smooth that out and sand it and paint it, it will look flush. But for what it was, that was a $10 fix with Bondo. So if you see what it looked like on my previous video, it looked horrible, but from a distance of a few feet, you can't even tell that that's been repaired really. So for 10 bucks, I applaud that fix. Just put a new side marker light, both of them. Turn signals work now. So this is what I'm gonna tackle today, and you'll have a video about too, how to replace your badge because mine's terrible. And there's my new one. That video is gonna be up too. So got my custom built workstation. I'm also 6'5", so this is up to my hip, not leaning over, and built that by myself. But I just wanted to give an update on my tools and a garage tour. So that's it, you guys. Starting Tech here, signing out.